What's up everybody, it's Jesse from Island Aesthetics, and in this short video I'm going to review a ceramic coating install process and break it down into 3 main parts. So if you're someone who's just starting to look into ceramic coatings, or maybe you already know a little bit about what a ceramic coating does, but you're just curious as to what the install process looks like, this short video is going to be perfect for you. If you learned something, gain anything valuable, or just enjoy detailing content like this, go ahead and hit that like button and leave me a comment below. It's a huge help to my growing little business, and it means even more if you guys subscribe to the channel. And now let's jump right into the process. This vehicle is a brand new 2023 Mercedes-Benz E350. It's only got a couple hundred miles on it, but the prep and coating process is generally the same regardless of the age or type of vehicle. The first main part is a wash that includes a clay treatment to ensure all of the surface dirt and embedded contaminants are gone, and we're working with totally clean and smooth paint. For vehicles that aren't brand new, there may be an additional chemical decontamination step to remove tar, iron, or tree sap that has built up, but luckily with this vehicle, that wasn't necessary. The second main part is the paint correction. Under an inspection light, which mimics the sun shining on your car, we can clearly see this paint is full of defects, which largely consist of swirls and scratches. This is caused by a variety of things. All the different hands that touch the car while it makes its way from the factory to you, negligent handling during transit, and improper washing and prep work by the dealer just before they deliver it to you. If these defects aren't removed, they'll still be visible even after the ceramic coating is installed, and your vehicle won't look as good as it should. Now, it's worth mentioning that a ceramic coating can be applied to any paint so long as it's cleaned. And polishing out these swirls and scratches isn't technically required in order for the coating to bond properly. However, ceramic coating installs are expensive, and most people only get one shot at spending the money to have a ceramic coating installed. And if you're gonna spend $1,000 or $2,000 somewhere in that range to have a ceramic coating installed, it's well worth the extra few $100 to have your vehicle polished so that the paint is as clear as possible and you get the best gloss and reflections out of your paint. The paint correction starts by testing small sections to determine which pad and polish combo works best, along with getting a feel for the pressure and arm speed that yields the best defect removal and clear finish. The entire vehicle is polished in small sections, the residue is removed after each pass, and the inspection light comes out once again so I can check my work before moving on to a new section. Finally, the last step is applying the coating. A complete ceramic coating package includes painted surfaces, wheels, and glass to make sure everything is protected and easy to clean for years to come. Once completed, the vehicle sits inside overnight to cure, and the following day it's pulled out for some glamour shots before finally being returned to the customer. And so that's really it. It's about 1 to 2 days of work condensed into just a few short minutes. Hopefully that was easy for you guys to understand. And like I said before, if you enjoy content like this, or if you learned anything, hit the like button and leave me a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also check me out on Instagram, where you can find shorter form content about similar stuff, as well as pictures and videos of all the work that I do in my business. If you're on the South Shore, Long Island, anywhere near Bayport, Oakdale, Sayville, even as far east as the Hamptons, and you're looking for a service like this, check out my website or hit me up with the contact information in the description below. That's gonna wrap it up for this one. Thank you guys so much for checking it out. I'm Jesse from Island Aesthetics, and I'll see you on the next one.